Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin itong post ni Crisette Laureta Chu na kung saan lumalabas na nagsimula na ang panggigipit ng administrasyong ito sa mga bilyars mula nung pumanig o nagpa-endorso si Camille Villar kay VP Inday Sara. Okay. Basahin ko itong si Crisette Laureta Choyo, isinare niya yung text message galing kay Congressman Jay Congcon. Unahin muna natin yun Ito, Congressman Jay Congcon. Text niya ito sa Prime Water, isang kumpanya ng tubig na pagmay-may-ari ng mga bilyar. I think ang Prime Water is nationwide ang kanyang services sa tubig. So ito ang text. Prime Water, sabi ni Congressman Jay Congcon, we have given you enough time to improve your services. Sabi nyo last meeting, pandemic is the reason kaya may backlog kayo sa development, although you are not under the LGU of Subic. Prime Water, may responsibility kayo sa tao, pero now, sobra na. I'll be filing a congressional investigation para sa lahat ng Prime Water sa buong Pilipinas when our session starts. This is not about politics. This is not about politics. It's about justice to the consumers. Sobrang dami na kayong pinahirapan sa mga pangako na hindi nyo tinutupad. Okay? So, kailan mag-open? June 12 ata ang session ng Kongreso. Yun. Ito ang warning. Magpapatawag ng investigasyon si Congressman Jay Congcon against sa mga bilyar. So, ito ang post ni Crisette. Asan na? Sorry. Napunta sa... Sorry so, ito na yung post ni Crisette. This is what I mean when I say the bilyars will be made to pay dearly for jumping to Sara. Paano? Matagal na may issue ang Prime Water. Hindi lang ngayong April, pero nakipag-alyansa pa rin kayo. So bakit dati nung alyansa si Camille, di nyo iniimbestigahan? Tama. Tulog ang issue na ito, serbisyo ng Prime Water, nung nasa alyansa pa si Camille. Ngayon na kumabilang bakod na, nandun na kay Sara, yun, iimbestigahan na ang Prime Water. Ngayon, that they move to support Sara, bigla kayong magpapa-congressional hearing, sabi ni Crisette. If Camille Villar wins, and Mark is still a senator, and Cynthia will be in Congress, and they have allies in Congress under Nationalista Party, gulo na naman ang 20th Congress. You say that this isn't politics, but where was your condemnation of Prime Water before, when the bilyars were allies of BBM? Ganito talaga ang politics ngayon. If you are with Sara Duterte, the government will be against you. Ang hindi lang Prime Water ang may issue sa services. If you're going to investigate them, we Filipinos will demand that you investigate mining firms in Surigao and other locations, construction firms who are responsible for substandard flood control projects, your fellow congressmen whose companies earn from getting projects from the government kasi bawal yan. If you cannot do this, then yes, you are politicking. Grabe ang politiko sa Pilipinas. lahat ng papanig sa Duterte, talagang pahihirapan. Ganun na ba yun? Okay, so ito. Teo Moreno, sabi niya, ha 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 ha, tumahol na naman pala ang asong iyan. Adrian Pascual, hindi mga kamukha ni Jay ang magpapanginig sa puso ni Cynthia A. Villar. Masasampal yan sa committee hearing. I can't wait na. Yes, palaban ang mga Villar. Matagal na sila sa politika. Uncover PH, sabi niya, okay lang to investigate, especially if it's about basic utilities that really affect our lives and hit our pockets. But the timing, question mark, the intention, obviously, dirty politicking. Noon pa sana. Bakit ngayon lang? Dahil lang sa kumabilang bakod ng mga Villar. Kat Lee, sabi niya, I will support Villar. Ryan Anthony Chanco, ito, matindi to. Sabi niya, I don't have plans of including Villar in my list. But because of this threat by this good-for-nothing crook, then I will. Yan. Nakakuha tuloy ng isang boto si Camille Villar dahil sa pananakot na ito. Rogeline Villalobos, pabida talaga. Telma Patis, investigate your ayudas, yung bayad sa inyo ng speaker. Jessa Ruiz, true po yung illegal mining here in Surigao. And I don't know bakit wala mang action ang government dito. Bong Rasuman, well, it's about math. If all out sila kay BP and she wins, how much is the benefits? And if she loses, how much will they lose? The Villars are not one of the richest. If they can't gauge who is winning, they know where the winning side is. The fact that Camille was endorsed already by BP is a sign that Alianza boat is sinking. Question now is, does Alianza represent the BBM administration? Or will they just go for the go-to plan, deny that everything is going down the drain, it's faster than the yellow hole? Gabriel Cardosa, pag nanalo mga Villars on both houses, which I see is inevitable, malupit machinery ni Cynthia, please remember na the Villars is not only based in Las Piñas and Parañaque, they have expanded to Cavite. Yan. So, basta ako, dahil sa pag-endorso ni BP Sara, Villar na kami, buong pamilya ko at mga kaibigan. So, salamat sa boboto kay Camille Villar and of course, Senator Amy and Duterte. Dapat maraming manalong senador na tutulong kay BP Inday Sara para malusutan niya ang kanyang impeachment. Yan po ang goal, yan po ang strategy bakit nagkaroon ng Duterte plus 2. So, ang balibalita, ang alyansa is 7 na lang daw ang maiwan kasi baka daw pa lang ito baka daw si Manny Pacquiao, Tolentino, and Cayetano naguguluhan na rin sa alyansa, baka susunod na aalis na sa palubog na barko. Okay mga kaibigan, salamat sa inyong